NEET 2023 application process has started on March 6. The application window will be open for a month. Hence, you must act fast and complete the process on time. This video of Shiksha brings to you the step-by-step procedure on how to fill the application form of NEET 2023. The first step is to visit the official website of NEET 2023, which is www.net.nta.nic.in. You can check the notification and the information bulletin from top left side of the page. Click on the Registration of NEET UG 2023 tab at the top or bottom of the page. Read the instructions and click on the Agreement checkbox before proceeding towards filling up the registration form. Fill up the registration form with personal and contact details, followed by creating password, which should be between 8 to 13 characters with specifications. Once the password is generated, you have to verify the details entered. You will receive an OTP in your registered mobile number. Submission of the OTP will be completed with the registration process, and you will be redirected to the application form, which is divided as per details required on personal, government identification type, exam center city, qualification, additional information, emergency contact, and document upload. In the personal details section, apart from the basic details entered in the registration form, you will have to answer questions such as if you are a diabetic, annual family income, if you intend to wear religious customary outfit, mode of preparation, etc. Then enter the details of your government identification card you had opted for in the registration process and select the applicable checkbox. The next stage is to select the exam city. This year, you have to choose 2 cities in preferential order instead of 4. You will also have to enter your parents' highest qualification and profession. In the qualification details stage, you have to enter your educational qualification details for class 10, 11 and class 12, including qualification exam status, school or college name, board, roll number, subject studies, marks obtained, among others. In the additional details section, you will have to answer questions on if you have a twin sibling appearing for NEET 2023, your earlier NEET attempts and place of birth. You will also have to provide emergency contact details of your parent or guardian, which will be verified through ATP. The next stage is to upload documents including your passport and postcard size photographs, signature, thumb impression, Class 10 pass certificate, address proof, and category certificate if applicable. The last and final step is to pay the application fee. It has to be paid in online mode through net banking, credit or debit card, Paytm or UPI. Select the payment gateway and proceed for payment. Once the payment is complete, you will receive an application confirmation notification on your email. You are advised to take a printout of the NEET application confirmation page and preserve it till the admission process. This was all about NEET 2023 application process. All the best.